Hey, what's up all? So if you want to make pizza at home and you already have a grill, you may want to check out my other video where I reviewed the Cuisinart grill top pizza oven. But if you don't have a grill and you're looking to upgrade, right here behind me, we're going to take a look and see what's in the box of the Cuisinart 3-in-1 grill. So you can see here the Cuisinart 3-in-1 pizza oven plus. It comes with the hinge lid, our corduroy stone cast iron griddle plate, cast iron grill plate, and a 20-pound propane tank hose. So you're really going to get everything in here. Total weight on this is about 50 pounds or so. So it's a little hefty. It does have these stands, so we're going to have to put some things together, which is not a big deal. But a lot of people, what I see them do is if you don't have a place to put this outside, you can buy either something from Cuisinart or another type of grill top stand, which would make it really easy and you can just do whatever with it. So you can see right here we have all the different type. We have the pizza oven, the flat top griddle, which I love the flat top griddle just in general, and then you also have the cast iron grill with 260 square inches of cooking space. That is awesome. We open up the box now. I did take out a good amount of the filler cardboard in here just to give you an idea. I'm going to show you what's in here, but you can also get this other type of accessories from Cuisinart. We got a cover, there's a pizza stone cleaning brush you can pick up, the griddling kit, so it's almost like a hibachi kit or a teppanyaki kit, and they do have an outdoor prep table, which I've seen this online. This looks really great. Would be something awesome to use with it. On the other side here you can see we have a pizza cutter, a grilling thermometer, the pizza peel, which I have this peel which comes with the other Cuisinart grill top pizza oven, works really great, and then another ultimate griddle cleaning kit, which is always nice to have and good to go. So in the box we do have the grill, which is pretty much put together. So yes, there is assembly, not a big deal. Let's go ahead and get this out of the box and let me show you what's inside. We have our getting started guide, our feet or stand, right? Some more of these stands here. Our gas control knob. This is the catch for the oil and grease, especially when you're using it probably as a griddle but also as a grill. You're going to want to use that. Have some screws. This looks like the lid handle right there, which we're going to attach. Should not be too hard to assemble.
This right here is part of the bottom shelf assembly that you're going to put together, where you can store the pizza stone as well as the griddle top.
So also in here we have the cast iron griddle plate. Now this is great cooking with cast iron because you don't have to worry about things like Teflon or anything like that coming off into your food. This is a really great way to cook stuff. You want to do it like a teppanyaki, like when you go to the hibachi. You can do tons of different things, everything from eggs to chicken to fried rice, tons of different things. All right, so I got the 3-in-1 pizza oven plus open here, and yes, we saw those accessories before, like the legs and things that we have to put on it, the handle to get inside here to pull down that pizza oven slot. But guess what? There's still more to assemble. It's all right, not a big deal. So inside here you have your pizza stone, which is really great. And using these stones, you want to make sure that you're only cooking pizza on it. You don't want to do something that may be oily or greasy, anything like that, because it will damage the stone. But if you're making pizza, this is exactly what it's for. Also, we have our cast iron griddle brake. So many different things that are inside here. Let's see. And this is great. Having everything cast iron and not just stainless steel or aluminum is going to allow you to get a more even cook. That's a pretty good size cooktop there for sure. So you can definitely get what, 2, 4, 6, 8. Man, you can get 8, maybe 10 burgers depending on the size that you want to cook with. So that is awesome. Doing that, plenty of hot dogs. So this would be great for someone that may be like in an apartment or a condo. You don't have a lot of room for a grill and you get all these options to deal with. How awesome is that? Pick this back up and there's more prizes inside. So also inside here, this looks like some deflector plates you got there. So again, I'm gonna go through and install all of this. You don't need to see that, but not a big deal. And then finally we have one of our other trays here. Looks like for the bottom. There are a good amount of parts, yes, that will need some assembly, but for the most part, the main part of the grill is all ready to go. The parts for assembly, it really doesn't look that hard to do, so I'm not that worried about it. Let me just show you what this looks like real quick. So we have our propane connector right here for a normal 20-pound propane tank. Now inside here you can see our burner for the propane, which is really nicely set up. Plenty of room inside here, which is great. And the other thing that I like about this is pretty thick. You know, a lot of times you'll see these grills and grill tops and they are not thick at all. And personally, I hate that because it just feels like it's a low quality product, where this does not feel anything like that. You can see right here, when you have it set up to do the pizza oven, obviously we'll have the handle. Fold that down and you can put the pizza right inside while you monitor the temperature, and up to 700 degrees in 6 to 8 minutes. How awesome is that? So let me go ahead and assemble everything, and make sure you look for the full review video coming soon, where I'm going to demo it out, show you all the features, and let you know how the Cuisinart 3-in-1 Pizza Oven Plus is, and if you need it or not. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.